Okay, quick comparison of these Creality Pi Space and the Sunlu Filodryer S2. So this one right here has a, I don't know, less modern looking display. Both these are 2024 models, but you need a tap to turn on the the LED backlight, and that thing right there. Meanwhile, inside this one's only a 48 watt heater, if that. The power cord is actually one of these bricks, which is kind of inconvenient. It's 24 volts, 2 amps, which makes no sense because they could just power this entire thing off USB-C. This entire thing, so it's just 2 ceramic heaters, one on top, one on bottom, and it's sitting on rollers. This one right here, on the other hand, has a fan. Same thing, it's just rollers, but it has intake on this side, spits out air on that side, and it's a lot tighter fitting, and there's only one port over here, versus over here then you have one port over here, and you also have, for some reason, one on the back over here, which means that I think that if you left filament in here for longer, it would get more damp than it would in this, although I didn't really test it. One other thing too is this thing has a maximum time of 48 hours. This one, on the other hand, is only 6 hours. And again, it's kind of annoying because this thing keeps turning off every, I'd say, like, minute or so. It doesn't stay on the little LED backlight. As for packaging, they're about the same. This is, oops, yeah, that thing tips over easily. This one just came with this, versus this one came with an actual padding type thing. That's about it. I like this one better. I'm probably going to return this one.
A new little part here. I found out that the best settings is 220 degrees, 60 degree bed, and 180 millimeters a second on a stock Ender 3 V3. I have a PIE plate though, but there is no stringing, no warping, no nothing. These are the optimum settings, so 220, 60 degree plate, and 180 millimeters a second, and you get the best results.